Hey, it's day 2 of my surgery log, and I'm completely exhausted. After I finished my log yesterday, I didn't end up going to bed until about 1, and then I woke up probably 2:30, and we had to take my mom to the emergency room because she has the flu and her temperature was like 103, and so she was shaking real bad. And then we were in the emergency room from, I think we got there at 2:30 or 3, and we didn't leave until 5:30. So we got home at 6 a.m. this morning, and I probably slept an hour or two, and woke up, and I could not sleep for anything. And I'm hurting, my shoulder hurts, and my medicine is making me so nauseous, so I think I'm not even going to take my next dose. I'm just going to take some Aleve or something, and hopefully my stomach won't hurt after that. This is my cat, Butters. But I don't know. I can't sleep. I can't get comfortable. It won't stop pulsing. I'm still nauseous. And I don't know. I just want some rest. But this is day 2, so I'll let y'all know if tomorrow goes any better.